Hi.
You are currently being recorded. Fucking A.
You are currently being recorded.
I'm currently being recorded dropping off this nice shopping cart on your front lawn. I'm gonna park it up here. Probably pretty sure these are this same shit.
Mount Pleasant, Iowa. A suspicious individual, clearly under the influence of drugs, is seen roaming around a front door close to midnight. These exact situations is why you should always have your door locked. Huber Heights, Ohio.
Hey, fuck you doing? Hey! Hey! Fuck back here!
Ran off the second he got caught. Let's hope the homeowner caught up. Texarkana, Arkansas. A teen holds up a gun right in front of this house. An insanely dangerous situation. Luckily, he was caught minutes later by the police. Bartlesville, Oklahoma. He clearly wasn't a fan of being on camera. That much is obvious.
Get over here.
Mount Vernon, New York. Prescott Valley, Arizona. For some reason, that pumpkin really set him off. Hard to imagine what it could have done to deserve that kind of reaction. Albany, Georgia. Even with someone shouting at her in a voice you'd think would stop anyone in their tracks, she doesn't hesitate for a second, grabs the package and walks off like it's no big deal.
Get your ass out of there! We'll call the cops!
Hattiesburg, Mississippi. Two teens vandalize a car with some sort of spray. Luckily, they were caught the next day and had to pay damages. I love it when criminals face accountability. Hattiesburg, Mississippi. I have seen a lot of weird clips, but this one takes the throne. Like, be serious. We can see you, freak. Green Acres, Florida. This one is just insane. Not even a motive. He just wanted to destroy something. Westfield, New Jersey. Here we can see the best criminals of the state in action. Texarkana, Arkansas. This girl was caught walking inside multiple random apartments. Very scary. Murfreesboro, Tennessee. He really tried to grab the Ring camera. Turns out that didn't go the way he expected, just ended up embarrassing himself. Covington, Kentucky. The last guy really couldn't stay behind while breaking into people's homes. Disgusting. Albany, Georgia. This clip is absurd. A man decides to steal Christmas decoration at 3 in the morning. Cuyahoga Falls, Ohio. This crazy woman is caught throwing rocks at this homeowner's car. I'm curious what could make her this mad. Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Turns out even a locked door can't stop criminals anymore these days. So much trouble, just to walk out empty-handed. La Habra, California. Moments like this are a solid reminder that leaving your car unlocked can cost you. Sometimes all it takes is one quick check from the wrong person. Covington, Kentucky. This dude decides it's a good idea to steal a solar lantern at 11 p.m.
Get off my porch.
Eventually, the homeowner catches him and he walks off defeated. Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. Looked right at the camera and still didn't care. Collect your packages quick, or they will keep stealing it. Brighton, Colorado. You can kind of tell what they were lining up to do here. What they didn't realize was they were being filmed from the side the whole time. Westfield, New Jersey. A whole group of teens gathers around the porch like it's a meetup, only to start grabbing packages. Northfield, Minnesota. There are just too many people trying doors nowadays, hoping one is unlocked and the homeowners aren't paying attention.
Hello? Hello? I'm sorry. Uh-oh.
Rome, Georgia. Sneaked up to a bike and stole it. Always lock your stuff. Petaluma, California. More intoxicated freaks trying to open doors. Thank God this homeowner was smart and had everything locked tight. If you're still watching, comment down below where you're watching from. Let's see where most of you are tuning in from. Yukon, Oklahoma. This one is absurd.
I want to fight. Big fight. Y'all be my ass. Talking about take one, bitch. This is disrespectful. Should I take the whole bowl? Just do it. Oh, I didn't mean like the whole bowl.
Bartlesville, Oklahoma. Sometimes ring camera footage is just straight up creepy, like this guy who just sits on the porch for multiple minutes and even peeks through the door inside the house. Shreveport, Louisiana. Sneaking up like a cartoon character, and just as fast he is gone again. Wheaton, Maryland. This looks like the most uncomfortable theft we've seen. He can barely bike away with the package on his bicycle. Petaluma, California. A truck is seen parking along the road, dumping a ton of trash. The man has been asked multiple times to do it at the appropriate places, but he keeps coming back. Prescott Valley, Arizona. Check this one out. Two men sneak up to a house and straight up steal the flags off the front porch. Carson City, Nevada. This thief rolls in looking for an easy payday, but the homeowner caught him red-handed.
Get the fuck away.
Northfield, Minnesota. Not sure what he is trying to achieve, but this is a scary sight at 2 in the morning. Hunters Creek, Florida. Stealing candy with masks on, real gangster. Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. More intoxicated people caught on camera. This one is the worst of them all. North Platte, Nebraska. Does anyone have any idea what he was trying to do by this vent outside? Brighton, Colorado.
Hi there, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Not too bad. Are you the owner of the property, ma'am?
No.
Would you mind grabbing the homeowner and just let him know what's going on with their meter?
They don't live here.
Is it a rental?
My brother-in-law's house.
Oh, okay. We'll reach out to him by phone. Thank you.
Just wait for what happens next.
Can I still help you with something?
Excuse me?
Can I still help you with something?
Yeah, are you going to my mother-in-law's house? Because she don't need your bullshit either if that's how you're gonna act.
Well, I might go there.
Hold on, yeah, I'm recording you right now, so keep talking. What company do you work for?
Yeah, I'm going to tell you that.
What company do you work for?
So I should tell you that so you can try to get me fired?
I want to show them how you're treating customers.
Orland Park, Illinois. She knocks on the door, but keeps looking the other way like she's waiting for something else to happen. Hard to tell what the plan was there. Huber Heights, Ohio. A man is seen stealing a package and opening it right in front of the door. Talk about eager.
Hello. What are you doing with my package?
Oh no, check.
Why are you touching my package?
It's right there.
You're on camera.
Hunters Creek, Florida. This is just insane. How do you think anyone will open the door if you look like that? Kaiser, Oregon. Watch how this man takes an opened package straight from the porch, even going through the trouble of packing it back up himself. Mount Pleasant, Iowa. It's more often that drunk people are wandering the neighborhood during midnight. Check this one out.
Hey.
What?
What are you doing?
Who's you?
What are you doing?
Get to the building.
You don't live here.
Yes, I do.
You don't live here. I'm calling the police.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I thought it was the next door. I'm sorry. They told me to knock on the window. They come get me. I'm sorry. I didn't realize that.
Miss, what are you doing? I'm calling the police. Get out of my property right now.
Oh, right now. Oh.
Right now.
Okay, go on.
Green Acres, Florida. Rome, Georgia. Trying to steal from a home is never good, especially if the homeowner catches you looking at his stuff.
Hey. Oh, he's getting a balloon or whatever? Okay. You need help with something? Okay. Why are you in my yard, buddy? Well, I appreciate it, but please keep going, okay? Thank you.
Mount Vernon, New York. These kids wander onto private property and start damaging decorations like it's nothing. Makes you wonder who's teaching them that this is okay. Carson City, Nevada. Even while out walking the dog, some people still find a way to help themselves to someone else's porch. Guess multitasking means something different these days. West Warwick, Rhode Island. This one is just annoying. It baffles me how some people have no respect for other people. Just annoying the homeowners.
This is a woman.
That's not.
So why'd you say who?
House not for sale. Say it's good.
Paris, California. This woman stole a shovel from the front porch and walks off like nothing happens. Would you run after her? North Platte, Nebraska. Package got delivered just to be stolen seconds later. La Habra, California. This thief decided to park his car right on the driveway. Seems like most just don't care anymore.
Help you? Hey, hey, I'm calling the police. I have your picture.
He is already gone, lady. Why are we talking like he's right in front of the camera? Yukon, Oklahoma. Wheaton, Maryland. Check this one out. A man breaks into a garage close to midnight and steals an electric bike and a propane tank. A weird combination, if you ask me. Kaiser, Oregon. Taking TikTok videos in someone's backyard. Where is the decency? If you're feeling this video, smash the hype button, drop a like, and share it. Right now, it would mean a lot. Mansfield, Massachusetts. Kids roll in and ruin Halloween for everyone else. Orland Park, Illinois. Can we stop trying doors to homes that are not ours? What is the plan when it does open? Cuyahoga Falls, Ohio. The second he realizes he's been caught red-handed, he takes off like he's in a race.
Yeah, what?
Amazing how fast someone can move when things don't go their way.